The meat and comfort right now.
Right now? We outie?
My homies invited me, but I didn't tell them to put the trunk on. So
no. Alright guys, what is up? Jared here, back with another video. Today we're actually with Fredo. He actually got a carbon fiber ducktail spoiler. So that's gonna be sweet. Let's go ahead and check it out.
Spoiler.
Just a little Fredo, no. Fredo. No. Fredo, chill. Come on now.
Ew.
Yo, this shit gonna look crazy.
It's a little ducktail, guys.
Crazy. All right, we're gonna have to go ahead and install this for him, guys. We're gonna go to the meet or what?
Yep.
Bet. So let's see what we got ahead of us. Oh, I'm tripping. You see, I ain't strong like you.
It's just these. Pop out these. You take this off. That.
Oh, okay.
Screws. We're good.
All right, so let's check this out. I want to see exactly. Turn it around, bro. I want to see what the back looks like. The whole mechanism.
No, it should go in there, bro.
The whole mechanism. This is not gonna be hard.
Nah.
The cables, we're gonna have to bring in.
Tricky. Yeah.
It's gonna be a little tricky. We got it though.
Yeah. It's a trunk, bro. You know what I mean?
I bet. Let's get it. Fredo's getting dark, boy. Alright guys, so we actually went ahead and took off the cover so far. It's the whole cover. That's gonna look fire on here, Fredo. Fire. So now we gotta take these lights off. Pretty sure it's just this bolt right here, I wanna say. Not too sure. I think it is that, bro.
You know that is. I remember Joey took it off.
Alright, bet. Let me go get a socket. I just gotta put the new carbon on. Carbon. All the way. We actually got the trunk off, guys. So, let's get it. Let's get started. Sheesh. Alright, guys. So, we actually put it on. Wired everything back up. The only thing we gotta wire is the tail lights. Gotta go ahead and wire those tail lights. Look at that carbon, guys. Glistening. But yeah, so we went ahead and wired everything up. Apart from the tail lights, like I said. Ooh, save on. Now we actually went ahead and modified the latch. As you guys can see, we had to cut it right there, boom, on all three, to raise this up just a little bit, because the way the fitment is with this trunk, it doesn't want to do it. But now, since we cut that, straight fit. Hey, man, that fitment's pretty good though. That fitment's pretty good too. Look,
I'm not tripping about the fitment, but for real, I'm not really.
No, but it's pretty good.
Yeah. It's raised over here though, compared to over here.
I don't know. We'll figure that out right now. Alright guys, so there she is. You really can't see it because it's pretty dark outside. That's the old trunk. That's truck liner. We still got to put that in. Ooh, Fredo airing out. But yeah guys, we're actually going to go ahead and take it somewhere where there's actually light. It's like spotlight, so we can actually go ahead and review it and see exactly how it looks. But from what I'm seeing here in person, guys, it looks crazy. Fredo, you killed it, bro. You killed it. Every detail counts. Let's get it, bro.
Let's get it.
Fredo ready. That boy Fredo ready. Alright guys, so alright, let's go ahead and go get some grub, because I'm pretty hungry. We're going to Chex-Mex first? We gotta move.
We gotta move, but let's be careful because it's hot. It's Friday night.
I know.
Alright.
Let's get it. Alright guys, let's get it. I do.
You got a rag?
You gonna see it over there where we got the blanket from, yeah.
Alright
Alright guys, let's get settled in. Let's get settled in. You already know it's a vibe. It's always a vibe in the Beamers. This man Fredo. Guys, the carbon just looks fire. I love it. I love it. I can't wait till I get some carbon on this thing too. You don't know where you're going. I'm weak. So I can just post it and then I'll just be like carbon install, you feel me? Guys, just look at it. I don't know what's up, Fredo. Tell him what's up, dog. What? Hey, stock 435i. Stock 435i. Nah, but she got some things coming. She got some things coming, guys. Like, oh my god, I have so many things planned for this car. It's crazy as hell, but all right, we're about to go get some grub. Let's get it. All right, guys, let's get it. You already know the spot. OG spot. Perfect lighting whenever it's nighttime. Perfect lighting. Look at the blue bullet. What? Look at the blue bullet. This is what you call somebody that loves their car. Fredo. Fredo, that literally like topped that shit off, bro.